Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid method for sketching. This powerful technique helps artists accurately transfer images from a reference to their drawing surface. By breaking down complex subjects into smaller, more manageable sections, you can achieve precise proportions and perspectives. It's a fantastic way to build confidence in your observational drawing skills and ensure your artwork looks just right. First, prepare your materials. Take your reference image, whether it's a photo or another artwork, and draw a grid directly onto it using a ruler and pencil. Next, create a corresponding grid on your drawing surface, like paper or canvas. It's crucial that both grids have the exact same number of squares, and that the aspect ratio of your canvas matches your reference image for accurate scaling. Now the exciting part, transferring your sketch. Begin by focusing on just one square on your reference image. Carefully observe the lines, shapes, and details within that single square. Then, draw only what you see within the corresponding square on your canvas. Move systematically, square by square, paying close attention to how lines intersect the grid lines. This methodical approach ensures accuracy. Once you have transferred the entire outline, you can carefully erase the grid lines from your drawing surface. Now, your accurate foundation is ready for the next steps. Begin adding all the intricate details, applying shading to create depth, and incorporating textures to bring your sketch to life. Remember, consistent practice with the grid method will significantly enhance your overall observational drawing abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.